Hello, Home Pros family. Today we're in a house where all the trim is getting painted. So I just wanted to give you a glimpse to what all goes into painting trim only. So homeowner is not painting the wall, so we have to mask them off. And as you can see, every precaution has been taken. This little guy here is the best painter in Kansas City. So hi, Esteban.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. He's the best one. So
Thank you.
your house is in good hands with him. So just to give you a glimpse, this is a 2-story house, and everything is getting painted. That's trim. So we'll make our way down here and kind of wrap up these cabinets, vanities, bookcases, you name it. So anyways, just wanted to give you an idea of what it takes to paint trim only.